In which year was the Gujarat Sahitya Academy established? A. 1979, B. 1981, C. 1983, D. 1985. Answer B. 1981. Who was the first winner of the Sahitya Academy Award for Gujarati? A. उमाशंकर जोशी, बी. पन्नालाल पटेल, सी. महादेव देसाई, डी. के.एम. मुंशी. आंसर सी. महादेव देसाई. Which was the first capital of the Gurjar Pratihar dynasty? A. Mandor, B. Jalore, C. Avanti, D. Bhinmar. Answer C. Avanti. In which year was printing first introduced in Gujarati? A. 1812, B. 1815, C. 1817, D. 1820. Answer A. 1812. Who established the Gujarat Vernacular Society in 1848? A. Mahipatram Rupram, B. Dalpatram Dayabhai, C. Narmada Shankar Dave, D. Alexander Kinloch Forbes. Answer D. Alexander Kinloch Forbes. Which poet is popularly known as Kavi Kant? A. Narmada Shankar Dave, B. Navalam Pandya, C. Manishankar Ratnaji Bhatt, D. Anand Shankar Dhruv. Answer C. Manishankar Ratnaji Bhatt. Who founded the Gujarat Sultanate? A. Zafar Khan, B. Mahmud Begda, C. Ahmad Shah II, D. Qutbuddin Ahmad Shah. Answer A. Zafar Khan. Which Mughal emperor was born in Dahod, Gujarat? A. Humayun, B. Jahangir, C. Aurangzeb, D. Shah Alam II. Answer C. Aurangzeb. Which film won the Best Feature Film Award in the Gujarati language at the 69th National Film Awards? A. Cello Show, B. Helaro, C. Reva, D. Dhunki. Answer A. Cello Show. As of 2025, how many wildlife sanctuaries are there in Gujarat? A. 20, B. 23, C. 25, D. 27. Answer B. 23.